Alright, so hello and welcome to this video tutorial for RC Hibbeler's Engineering Mechanics Statics textbook. So we have this problem from chapter 4 here, which is asking us to determine the resultant moment produced by the forces about point O. So first of all, this is a relatively simple problem, at least relative to problems that came before it in the textbook. The major difference here is that we're working with multiple forces now. However, we don't need to decompose them, right? Because this one's acting vertically, this one's acting horizontally, this one's acting vertically, and so on. The only thing we need to kind of decompose really is the horizontal and vertical components of this part of our structure here, but that's about it, right? So I suppose we can just kind of get straight into it and we can start taking moments straight away. Let's go ahead and do that. So we can say that the sum of moments about point O acting, let's say clockwise here, is equal to, okay, so let's start by considering clockwise moments. This 600 Newton force here will enact a clockwise moment, so that would be 600 times 1, right, since we have a perpendicular distance of 1 here. And this 300 Newton force here will also enact a clockwise moment. The perpendicular distance is going to be the vertical component of this length here. So we can say plus 300 times 2.5 sine 45. Okay, and now let's consider anti-clockwise moments. Well, we've only got this force here. What is the, well, we can, first of all, let's say this is a negative moment. Since it's acting in the anti-clockwise direction, we can say minus 500 times the perpendicular distance, which is going to be 3 plus the horizontal component of this length here. So we can say 3 plus, let's say 2.5 cos 45. So this is just a simple case of bunging this into our calculator here. And when you do that, that should give you a value of minus 1,253.6 Newton meters. We can obviously simplify this. We can convert this into kilonewton meters. So we can say 1.253 Newton meters. And then to account for the negative here, I'm just gonna say acting anti-clockwise, and maybe also I don't need 3 decimal places there. Let's just keep it to 3 significant figures here, and that's our solution there. If you have any questions or comments about that problem, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching.